Hey everyone, and welcome back to Veggie Life. Today I'm going to show you how to make jackfruit curry the way my grandmother used to make it. This is a very tasty and very satisfying recipe. So come, let's get started. So to begin the recipe with, I have taken a pressure cooker here and added jackfruit to it along with some water just so that it covers it. Next, I'll be adding about half a teaspoon of turmeric and salt to the jackfruit. Close the lid of the pressure cooker and allow it to cook for about 3 whistles. Once done, make sure that the pressure cooker cools down in its own pace. So this is how the jackfruit will look like after pressure cooking. Now for the masala and gravy, I have taken 1 cup of diced onions and 1 cup of diced tomatoes, and 1 cup of ginger, garlic and green chili, which we will be making a paste of. In another bowl, I have added 1 tablespoon each of jeera, dhania, red chili powder and garam masala. So here we start the cooking process with adding some mustard oil along with 2 cloves, 1 bay leaf and 2 pods of cardamom. So this is the garam masala we require. Next, I've added about half a teaspoon of fennel powder or saunf powder, which we will allow it to cook until the rawness of it is gone. Keep stirring the masala so that it does not burn at the bottom. I have made paste of the ginger, garlic and green chilies and added it to the masala. Give it a quick stir. Allow this ginger garlic paste to cook until the rawness of the ginger and garlic is gone. Once it is done, you can go ahead and add a cup of diced onions. Allow the onions to cook slowly until it starts to shrivel and becomes dark. For a smoother gravy, you can make paste out of the tomatoes that we had diced and add it to the gravy. Make sure that you keep stirring to keep the masala from getting burnt at the bottom. Next, at this point, we shall add the powders that we had assembled in the cup earlier. At this point, our goal is to help the masala integrate along with the onion and tomato gravy. So keep stirring the masala until all of it comes together well. Once the gravy starts to release a little oil, go ahead and add the jackfruit pieces from the pressure cooker. Keep mixing the jackfruit pieces well so that the masala sticks to it. Once done, you can go ahead and add the water that was remaining in the pressure cooker so that it adds to the volume of the gravy and it becomes more juicy. Using a spatula, keep stirring the pot until all of the gravy starts to add to the water. Allow the curry to cook for at least 5 to 10 minutes with lid closed on the top on a low heat. This process will help the jackfruit absorb the flavors from the spices of the gravy. And in no time, your jackfruit curry is ready to be served. Garnish this dish with some chopped coriander on the top and with some lemon juice. Jackfruit curry tastes best when it is served along with rotis more than rice. So do try this recipe and let me know how you like it. Until then, like, share and subscribe at Veggie Life. Bye!